We have made it to our homestay for the night. We're staying at Decona Guest House. This is the guest house that's owned by Aris, who's the amazing guy who's helped us put this entire trip together. The car ride was about 4 hours and we came here straight from Mt Bromo. We're very close to Tumpak Sewu, but we're not going to go there tonight. We're going to go there tomorrow morning. Tonight there's a different waterfall that Aris has recommended and it's amazing for sunset apparently. So we're going to head there now, see a great sunset, grab some food and get an early night because we've got an early morning again tomorrow.
How amazing is this?
Yeah, this was a good choice.
This was a good choice. Wow. The sun is setting really beautifully now and I don't know if you can see it, but behind me is Tumpak Sewu waterfall. We are standing at the panorama viewpoint. It's absolutely stunning here. You could come pretty much any time of day, but I think sunset and sunrise are usually best because you get the best view of the mountain in the background and that's usually when there's least cloud. We just cannot get enough of it. Just taking this in is just phenomenal. Absolute force of nature. Java, you do not disappoint. Good morning. It is the start of our second day in Java, which means today we're going to explore the beautiful waterfall that is Tumpak Sewu. We're going to head to Tumpak Sewu now for sunrise and get some really beautiful shots of the waterfall, and then we're going to come back for breakfast and then head down afterwards.
We have made it to Tumpak Sewu and it is outstanding. This is one of the most impressive waterfalls Danielle and I have ever seen. It's like a crater full of different waterfalls all spilling out from all around it. It's amazing to see. But then you combine that with the lighting that you get around sunrise and then the mountain in the background, it all just comes together and it's phenomenal. There's not too many people here at this time of day, which is really good. And we've flown the drone, it looks awesome. Now we're going to get a couple of photos, then we're going to go get some breakfast and come back quickly.
That's delicious. The jar pancakes are so nice.
Are we doing half and half, or am I now not getting pancakes?
We can do half and half.
So we got a cheese, egg and bit of salad sandwich, and then banana pancake, and some coffees, which we're going to wolf down so we can get back to the waterfall. I think it's good. We're at Tumpak Sewu now. We're going to start making our descent. We've only been gone half an hour and it's already crazy busy. So we'll do our best to get what photos we can, but everyone's here enjoying it at the end of the day.
So far so good. We have steps to go on and then there's just like a bit of a railing ramp going down here now. We're hoping it's not too treacherous down, although we have heard that you have to be prepared to get wet because you kind of trek through waterfalls as well and do a little bit of rock climbing too, so that should be fun.
You've seen this bit?
Are you ready for this?
That's so good.
Yeah, that was really fun actually.
I absolutely love stuff like that. It's not that slippy, so it's actually not as dangerous as it maybe looks. I would not do this in trainers. They rent sea shoes at the top. We got ours from Decona Guest House where we're staying. Already, really fun, exciting, refreshing start to the waterfall.
We've not even entered the actual Tumpak Sewu part, which is Here, we're arriving now. And I can't even see the waterfall yet, but you can already feel the mist and the moisture in the air from the waterfall because it's so powerful. So we're excited to get closer because I have a feeling that we're going to get drenched.
It's pretty crazy here. There's a lot of people and everyone's all looking to get the picture. There's a few popular spots that people have obviously seen on Instagram, and what happens when you go and you find maybe a different take on something or a slightly different spot, everyone tends to form a queue behind you because they look and they're like, oh, that's such a good picture, because everywhere here is such a good picture. We're just going to head to this little rock here now, and I think the video is going to be pretty awesome.
It's just so incredibly beautiful here. We cannot get enough of it. One thing I was a little bit cautious about is finding the perfect spot to just really capture the beauty of this place. But in all honesty, there's so many places to take a beautiful photo because it's just so impressive from all angles. So if you come no matter what time, there's always going to be a beautiful space for you to take a photo here because, let's face it, it's probably the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen.
We've been high, now we're going to try and get as close as we can. This is going to get pretty wet.
It's so powerful already and we're not even that close.
Oh wow.
And the power of Tumpak Sewu, we are going to make our way back up, and hopefully it won't take too long because my legs are shaking already. But this has been a 10 out of 10, so worth it. You have to come here.
We were about to head back up to the top, and our guide, driver, photographer told us that there's a different waterfall just if we keep going rather than take the turn back up to the top. And we can swim here. We've literally turned the corner and it just looks amazing.
If you are visiting Tumpak Sewu, do not forget to check this gem out. We'll find the name and we'll pop it right here. But this is so beautiful. We wish we had our drone to capture it, but we're gonna chill here for the rest of the morning and then we're gonna go back up. Just how beautiful is this?
And here's the swimming pool. There's a waterfall here that we're just going to check out first, then we're going to make our way down for a little dip. I thought I was being big and tough by going in without my sea shoes, but it's pretty rocky, so now I've got to go back on it.
You okay there? Off you go. Oh, this is so nice. I don't think I've ever seen a waterfall with an infinity pool. This is pretty amazing. This is so good after all that trekking down to Tumpak Sewu. Even though the water over there like really sprays you because it's so powerful. It's starting to get a bit warmer now because it's maybe like 9 AM. And yeah, this place is so perfect to stop off at after Tumpak Sewu.
I still feel like I need to clean myself after Bromo, so this is even...
Yeah. 10 out of 10. this place. It's so relaxing. The nature in East Java has been absolutely amazing so far. It's kind of like something out of Tarzan. Waterfall traffic. The stairs are very steep and they can be a little bit slippy, so just be careful coming up. But the views are very rewarding as well. But oh my god, whew, getting out of breath already. The good thing about taking a rest is usually that gives people that are coming down a chance to come down.
Or is it people coming down that give you the chance to rest?
Yeah, maybe that. I'd rather go with the first one because it makes you feel less unfit.
The second one's probably true.
Second one's probably true. What better way to end our trip to Tumpak Sewu with some coconuts? This is so refreshing after that walk.
So it's always so good. And
we managed to get a kilo of mangosteen.
this has become our new favourite fruit. If you've never had a mangosteen before, find one, get one
right now.
Thank us later.
And tell us in the comments if we were right, because it's so good.
The best.
Another fruit you need to try is snake fruit. It's so nice. Comes in like basically a snake-like cover, little coat.
Little goat.
And it has a brown pit in the middle. It's so nice. It's got like the crunch of like what garlic would be like, but it's sweet like an apple. It's so good.
Yeah, we love them. Our journey through East Java continued to amaze us. From the mountains to the waterfalls, we were falling in love with Java more and more each day. It certainly was tiring, there's no question about that, but we were having the most amazing time so far. After conquering Mt Bromo and Tumpak Sewu, we've still got one more place to go. Next up, it's Mt Ijen, which means more long drives and our earliest morning yet. But we still cannot wait to show you what lies ahead. See you next week.